Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, General. So how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, General. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer. Here is an explanation of some keyboard shortcut functions in Skype that can improve the user experience. Tap Ctrl, will enter the settings menu, allowing users to open the Skype application settings, where they can adjust preferences such as account settings, themes, sounds, notifications, and more, giving more control over how the application functions and appears. Tap Ctrl-H, which is Open Help in default browser, opens the Skype help page in the user's default browser, which contains guides and solutions to frequently encountered problems. Tap Ctrl-O, which is Send Feedback. Users can provide feedback or suggestions directly to the development team, including technical issues or requests for new features. Tap Ctrl-T, which is Open Themes. Users can access theme settings and choose between light or dark mode, according to their visual preferences. Tap Ctrl-Shift-T, which is toggle between light and dark mode, allows them to quickly switch between light and dark modes, depending on comfort in the existing light environment. Tap Ctrl-L, which is Open Notifications, opens the notification menu, ensuring users don't miss important messages or updates. Tap Ctrl-Shift-S, the Search for All Contacts, Messages, and Bots feature allows a quick search to find specific contacts, messages, or bots across Skype, making navigation easier. Tap Ctrl-Shift+, which is Zoom and enlarges the display in Skype, useful for seeing text or images more clearly. Tap Ctrl-, which is Zoom out, zooms out to see more content on the screen as a whole. Finally, tap Ctrl-Q, which is Quick Skype, allows users to quickly return to the last open conversation or application. By using shortcuts or navigation features, users can easily jump back to the last chat or ongoing Skype activity, without having to search or open the application manually. So that's it. Tutorial how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, General. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.